Today in Advisor Go, we are going to be reviewing the Life Needs Insight in Voyant. For this demo, we're working with a sample plan that includes husband and wife, along with their children. Both clients are currently working and are both contributing to retirement accounts. In this example, they do not currently have any life insurance modeled in the plan. We'll use the Life Needs Insight to help estimate what amount of life insurance may be needed in the event of unexpected fatality. So to do this, we'll go to Insights and then select Life Needs. And then we'll go ahead and select Get Started. In this plan, the software is suggesting that Martha may want to consider approximately $2.7 million in life insurance. For John, the software is then suggesting he would need an additional 3.4 in additional life insurance. Now let's take a closer look at what the software is doing behind the scenes. We're currently looking in the chart view. The software has inserted a simulated mortality event for Martha in the second year. Because Jane's income is removed from the plan at this point, we'll see the shortfall appears to begin at the end of the plan. To better understand the calculation, let's switch into year view. Now that we're in year view, we can see that Jane's income is still active. If we go ahead and look into the investment section, we're going to see that the investment is still going to be there, but it will drop off in the later years once the finances have run out. If we do move into the second year of the timeline with cash flow, we can then see that Martha's employment has fallen off. You can do this with both spouses in this insight as well. We can also see that if we look into the investments, that is what is going to be covering their plan throughout the duration, well into their 80s, but once 81 hits, that's whenever they're going to be experiencing a shortfall in the plan, and there will be no investment or pensions left to draw down on to cover any of their related expenses. As always, if you have any questions while working in a plan, you can request support directly from within the client case, clicking on the client's name, and then request support. So if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching today's training.